Hi, my name is Nusha Sharif, Senior Product Marketing Manager. Join me today, my colleague Deborah McGrath, Senior Technical Product Marketing Manager. In the San Diego release, we include enhancements to the Alignment Planner workspace, new digital portfolio management, and new capabilities for resource management, project workspace, and CSDM alignment. Today, enterprises struggle to develop and maintain alignment between strategy, planning, and delivery. This misalignment slows the flow of value through the organization. We see three different challenges. First, it's often hard for executives to have a clear visibility into strategic investments and communicate their vision across the company. Actually, there was a report in 2020 that 67% of strategic plans fail. The second problem is the lack of common planning, as organizations use different planning tools for different types of work. And in a study, 9.4% of initiatives spent is wasted. And finally, teams often use two or more tools to deliver work. They need planning tools that integrates different methodologies. Overall, these challenges lead to a lack of alignment that diminishes the value delivered to customers. Let's look at how we help organizations solve these misalignments with our new features in the San Diego release. Roadmap planning is a ServiceNow enterprise planning tool that allows stakeholders to visualize and communicate cross-functional plans. In the San Diego release, we are expanding roadmap planning to help customers align to their strategies so they can maximize their outcomes. New capabilities include more advanced milestone functionality, improved tracking, and new integrations. Lastly, we modernize the user interface as part of the next experience update. Deborah now will show us these new enhancements with Alignment Planner Workspace.
Thanks, Nusha. The Alignment Planner workspace now has a modernized look and feel and unified navigation using the Next experience, and it includes the ability to create, view, and track milestones at both the enterprise level and now also at the work item level. Item-level milestones can be viewed directly on each of the bars on the roadmap. You can hover over each milestone to see details such as start and end date and percent complete, or click into the planning item to view and manage all its milestones at once. Milestone state has been added to the color by legend to help you understand the color-coded status of each milestone. Green for achieved, red for a missed milestone that needs attention, and black to denote upcoming milestones. And now you can view milestones for all planning item types, demands, epics, and projects together on a single roadmap. You can personalize the roadmap to view only milestones for an at-a-glance view of how all work streams are progressing, so you can quickly identify and recognize successes and address any issues. To help you get started, the new guided setup capability provides complete instructions in an easy step-by-step approach. It enables you to more quickly and accurately set up Alignment Planner Workspace. Here you can select from 3 out-of-the-box planning hierarchy templates, including a PPM template for visualizing demands and projects, a hybrid template, which lets you manage demands, projects, and epics together on a single roadmap, and the brand new Scaled Agile Framework template for epics, features, and stories. All 3 templates are flexible planning hierarchies that can be easily tailored to meet your organization's specific needs. And the new Azure DevOps integration with Alignment Planner Workspace can be leveraged with the hybrid and safe templates. The bidirectional integration enables import, export, and synchronization of record metadata between Microsoft Azure DevOps and Alignment Planner Workspace. Together, these new features provide greater visibility and enhanced planning and tracking to help you more quickly deliver outcomes with maximum value. Nusha?
Digital Portfolio Management is an innovative new application that gives service, application, and product owners a unified workspace to collectively manage their services, applications, demands, and projects throughout their full life cycle. With the San Diego release, customers will have an end-to-end view of their offerings in a single UI to align their investments. Let's have Deborah show us how this works.
Thanks again, Nusha. With Digital Portfolio Management, or DPM, product and service owners have a holistic view of their services, all in a single, configurable, easy-to-use workspace. Each product or service detail page is presented around lifecycle management in a plan, build, run structure that organizes relevant information from ServiceNow Strategic Portfolio Management and IT Service Management applications. The Plan tab shows the relationship between a product, or in this case a business service, and any plans related to that service. Here they can promote ideas, prioritize backlogs, and seamlessly drill into Alignment Planner Workspace to manage their portfolio roadmap plans, where they can view the status and details about their portfolio planning items, as well as track the overall progress of those initiatives. They can also view and drill into related ideas, demands, projects, and epics that are impacting the product or service in the context of what they're actually working on today. The Build tab shows details about active projects, changes, issues, and improvement initiatives for this business service. Run provides a snapshot of current service performance, including in this case the latest customer satisfaction score, and an offering breakdown with details about overall availability, new incidents, and number of service subscribers. Product and service owners also have quick, easy access to information about the product or service insights, including the service description and other general information about the service. Finally, from each of these tabs, Plan, Build, Run, and Info, they have access to any incidents, changes, or other tasks related to the product or service that need their attention. Digital portfolio management helps bridge application silos by providing product and solution owners a single configurable workspace with a holistic view of the life cycle of all of their organization's services, including plans, related work that's in progress, and a performance snapshot of the overall status, helping them to more easily and more quickly make more informed decisions. Back to you now, Nusha.
The ServiceNow resource management application enables organizations to accurately plan for available resources and deliver work faster. With the San Diego release, resource managers can plan more efficiently and effectively and implement strategy faster. Once again, Deborah will now demonstrate the new resource management application.
Thank you, Nusha. The enhancements to the Resource Allocation Workbench in our San Diego release provide more control, better usability, and greater ease of use. First is date range control. This is the alignment of the top and bottom viewports, where you now have full control over the date ranges of the content that's displayed. Now, when you click on a resource, the information shown in the viewport is determined by the date range you specify, rather than simply jumping to the start date of that resource plan. In the bottom viewport, you can now also specify a custom date range. This enables better control and alignment of both the top and bottom views, so you can more effectively make strategic resourcing decisions. And you can always quickly jump to the beginning of a resource plan by selecting a specific resource, clicking the ellipses, and selecting Go to Start Date. You now have the ability to do bulk edits with the Fill Right feature to quickly copy planned hours in bulk within a resource plan. To do this, simply right-click the desired starting cell and select Fill Right. The number of cells will default to reflect the current cell as the starting period, cumulative to the end of the resource plan. And of course you can adjust that number. The planned hours also defaults to reflect the current cell and can be adjusted up or down. Advanced filtering by group or role helps you to find the optimal resource based on specific needs. In the Search by Group or Search by Role dropdown, you select the Advanced Filter icon and enter filter criteria to identify the most ideal resources, such as an analyst in New York with knowledge about field service. Next is the addition of the Requested column to the Configuration Breakdown columns in the lower viewport. You can add this on the fly to help you visualize requested demands. It gives you a much broader picture about overall availability for better assessment and allocation of resources. And you can now easily update resource capacity directly from the Resource Allocation Workbench without having to go to the user record by simply right-clicking a user and selecting Update Capacity for the desired date range. One last feature not shown in this demo is the enhanced loading experience, which will enable you to manage pagination and the number of users to load on each page. For example, if you have a large number of users, it will load up to 50 users to start, and then by selecting Get More, you can quickly display another 50 users. The default and recommended number is 50 users, but the quantity is adjustable. These updates provide enhanced usability for planning and allocating resources that in turn helps enable a more iterative and agile approach to resource management. Back to you, Nusha.
The new and improved Project Workspace provides project managers with a modern, intuitive UI to plan and manage all work. Historically, project managers have been forced to use whatever tools were available to them. This leads to a general lack of visibility and alignment, as well as frequent miscommunication. In the San Diego release, we are focused on supercharging project manager productivity with simple, unified navigation that gives them everything they need in one place. Deborah will show us a demo of how this new project workspace look like.
The new Project Workspace experience provides a modern, intuitive, and easy way for project managers to plan and manage projects. From the Project Workspace homepage, users can now easily see projects assigned to them, or all projects. They can search by project name or assignee to see, for example, all the projects Paul Martin is managing, as well as any he's assigned to as a team member. Projects can also be sorted by date in a variety of ways. Paul can quickly create a new project and apply an approved project template, such as this standard governance project template, to make sure he builds out the new project based on a consistent project process. He can click into an existing project to display the project details. The planning console is now more modern and faster. Here Paul can add new tasks, as well as copy, paste, and edit tasks. He can also drag and drop tasks to arrange them as desired and leverage enhanced dependency creation features like this one. The optional autosave feature automatically saves his changes. Paul can right-click to see a menu of additional frequent actions, like indenting a task or setting it as a milestone. He can easily expand and collapse and auto-fit both the Gantt view and the list view. He can also personalize the list view to add, delete, and arrange the order of the columns that are displayed, such as dragging and dropping the Assigned To column after the short description. Paul can click in to edit any single row with help from type-ahead suggestions, or he can select multiple rows to perform bulk edits. Filters can be applied to restrict what records appear in a list by providing a set of conditions each record must meet to be included in the list. He can also create multiple baselines and then compare up to 2 baselines against the current status. He can switch on and toggle to view critical path. It's also easy for him to add attachments and to collaborate with other project stakeholders. Additional actions are also available, such as access to an introductory help video. For features not yet available in this new experience, Paul can easily access them by clicking on Classic Project Workspace and quickly toggle back to this new Project Workspace experience to leverage the features you just saw and many more. I'll turn it back to you now, Nusha.
Project managers and portfolio managers often struggle with mapping all their initiatives into products that are aligned to their business strategy. With the new CSDM alignment capability, they gain visibility by associating any type of work, whether it's agile or traditional, to a digital product on the Now platform. Now the portfolio managers can track a specific product and ensure it's aligned to their strategy. Deborah will give us more detail about this new capability.
Thank you, Nusha. The service graph is the evolution of our CMDB to accommodate the entire IT value chain, from planning through development, operations, and service management. With respect to strategic portfolio management, CSDM alignment enables the association of ideas, demands, projects, and epics to digital products and managing shared data across digital products. Our Common Source Data Model Framework, or CSDM, provides a framework and guidance about the standard fields and values that can be used by enterprise architects, application owners, service owners, development teams, and portfolio managers to set up and track the lifecycle of an asset or a configuration item. And now with our San Diego release, it includes logical product model population and ensures that the data for the application or asset maps correctly to the appropriate tables in ServiceNow. It organizes many of the CSDM tables that are used by our application portfolio management application, including the Business Application Table, which is leveraged by APM to track the applications that support the organization's business capabilities. It provides a list of applications with information such as their category, manufacturer, and type. The Business Capability Table enables a view of the number of defined business capabilities that have been or will be assessed, and the number of business applications that support those capabilities, And the information object table captures asset information, such as information objects that can be connected to business applications to create an application portfolio. By associating product models with work items, such as ideas, demands, projects, and epics, and tracking shared data across all products on the Now platform, CSDM alignment makes it easier for teams to have a complete view of each stage of their product lifecycles.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you are excited as we are about the new capabilities coming to the San Diego release. As organizations challenge to deliver work faster, it's true that better alignment leads to better outcomes. Alignment Planner Workspace enables leaders to strategize better to maximize outcomes. Digital portfolio management, resource management, and CSDM alignment provides better alignment to implement strategy. And new project workspace delivers work faster, regardless of their delivery method. With these solutions, customers can drive more strategic outcomes. And we'd like to thank you again. Make sure to catch our other sessions, such as IT service management, IT asset management, and IT operations management. Thank you.